if you want to connect your iPhone to your TV, being your Google TV, Android TV, or any smart TV like what I'm doing now, then this video will be helpful to you. Okay, this video will be helpful to you as I have connected my iPhone to my smart TV, that's the TCL. Okay, so come, let me show you the step-by-step guide on how you can also connect your iPhone to your smart TV, as simple as that. And ever since I started doing this, I'm no longer using my DSTV, as you can see here, because whatever that I can use my DSTV to do, I can literally do it with my iPhone. That is, I use it to watch live football matches and others, as well as watching movies on the internet. Okay, so come, let me show you the step-by-step guide and the settings that you do on your iPhone as well as that of your Google TV or smart TV, as simple as that. Now the first thing that you need to do is to connect both the smart TV and the iPhone to the same network. That is, I have to connect my smart TV and the iPhone network, that is Wi-Fi, to the mobile phone that I'm just using to shoot this particular video. So what I have to do is go to the settings on my phone here, on my TV here, sorry, then scroll to the Wi-Fi section here, then I make sure I on or turn on the Wi-Fi here, then click on OK here. Okay, and it will search for the available Wi-Fi here. This is the available Wi-Fi here, and it will be connected. Okay, that is, the smart TV has been connected to the mobile phone that I'm using to shoot this particular video here. So since and once both the smart TV and the iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi, then you go to settings here. This is where the most important thing is. You go to settings again on your smart TV here, you go to settings, then you scroll down to see system. Okay, you navigate to system here, you navigate to system, then you scroll down until you see cast here, you select the cast here, then you make sure it is on always. If it is on never, change it to always, as you can see here. Okay, you change it to always here, then you go back. Then the next thing is that after going to settings, you need to scroll down until you see AirPlay. Most smart TV, that is the current ones, they have embedded AirPlay on it. Okay, that is, you can connect your iPhone directly to the smart TV so as to stream noise. But if yours, you cannot see the AirPlay from the system settings here, what you have to do is you go to the Play Store on the Google TV here to just go and download this particular application that I'm about to show you. Okay, so you can see here, you scroll to the Play Store on the smart TV, okay, and search for this particular application, okay, called the Air Mirror. As you can see, this is the application that I'm talking about. Okay, this is the application that you need to go and just download. Okay, Air Mirror receiver here, so you can search it from the Play Store on your smart TV. Okay, so let me search it from here. So that is it. This is the application that we are talking about. Okay, Air Mirror here, that is cast to Android TV or smart TV or Google TV, as simple as that. Okay, then after downloading the app, you make sure you open the app here. Okay, so once the app is open, and then on your iPhone, you just do this simple setting, just simple settings. Okay, that is, you scroll to from the notification area, then you see this particular icon, that is the screen mirror here. You click on this one and you see the name which is given to your TV on this particular application, that is the Air Mirror receiver, will pop up here. Then you just click on it to make sure you connect it. So here you can also give name to the application here of which you want your TV name to appear on any iPhone. Okay, so here you just scroll down until you see this name. You can change your name. Okay, this is the name that I've set to my TV on this particular application if running on my TV. Okay, then you just rename it here. Okay, so you see the Talk Tech TV here. As you can see, there's a Talk Tech TV here. Then I just go ahead to select on this one. Then after loading or after successful connection, then you see I'll be able to operate or connect my iPhone to this my particular smart TV. Okay, and one key thing I really like about the casting to smart TV is that for me personally, I can use it to watch live football games. Okay, so let me just quickly do this to show you. Okay, and with this one, you don't need any TV stick or any other live streaming this and that. You need to go and pay for something like that on it. All that you have to do, you just screencast your or screen mirror your iPhone to your smart TV, as simple as that. Okay, so let me show you the trick that I used to watch live football TV on my Android, that smart TV, just only by switching on my mobile data. Okay, so I will go to Sporty, because Sporty I can use it to watch any football match. Okay, with this simple trick that I'm going to show it to you. Okay, I log into my Sportybet account here. So now here, let me navigate to games that are being live streamed on Sporty. So with this one, there's live stream. I click on this one here, then I navigate to the Sporty section here. You see this is the live this thing. Okay, you see this is the live this thing. Okay, what I have to do is, if I want to make it to fit exactly on my TV, I just go ahead to expand it here. Then you see, bam. Okay, I'm just watching the live game on my TV, as simple as that. Okay, and that's how you can also use it to watch your live football games on Sporty. Okay, so that what I have to do is, you just connect your iPhone to your smart TV, then you begin to just mirrorcast to showcase everything on your iPhone to that of your smart TV, as simple as that. And this is for the iPhone users, and the Android users, your video will just be uploaded in the next session, of which it is very simple as comparing to that of the iPhone. Okay, also if I want to just move from there, I just close it, then I go to my phone here. Whatever that I can just want to do on my phone, I can just literally do it, as simple as that. Okay, as simple as that. And here's the top tech. If you like watching content like this, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn notifications, so that anytime I drop new video concerning content like this, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this particular video. Share for them to also enjoy on this particular video. And also, let me see in the comment section your thoughts on this particular video, your experience that you've had since connecting your iPhone to your smart TV, as simple as that. Here's the Talk Tech, and see you in the next video. Greetings once again.